All right, it's the next day. I'm gonna attempt to spray paint or to paint my own, like using the gun. Usually, I'll do like a rattle can, but I mean, it still come out good. But I figured might as well just give it a try. I mean, went to Harbor Freight, picked up a cheap gun, see how it turns out. I mean, I do little projects here and there, so sometimes, just. So we're gonna give it a try. Gonna bring the car out, get that bumper sanded, and primer it up in some areas, and get to painting. It's a nice day, so gotta make use of this sunny day. All right, don't know where I left off, but I removed this bottom piece. We'll see how this goes. Hopefully it goes all right, because then I could do more projects like that, and it'll be cheaper in the long run, save a lot more money. Right now I'm just gonna sand it down and then get started, I guess. So put you guys on the GoPro, and so you guys can get like a POV. So let's get started with that. All right, got the bumper all sanded down. Now I'm gonna attempt to paint it. Got the setup. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's only one way to find out. So let me start mixing everything up. All right, so actually I've never done this before. Let's see. Base coat. 2 to 1 for black. 8 to 10. I don't know how we're doing this, but we'll find out. All right. Toner. Okay. And thinner. That's what I need. Wait, I need this again. Okay. And this. I'm scared. So it's 2 to 1. Oh, I got the little cups here too. Sorry. That's dirty. Try this one. 2 to 1. All right. 2 to 1. So we'll do 2, 1. Yeah, I really hope I do this right. So 1 to 1, 1, 1, 2.
3 hours later.
1 to 1, 3. Okay, I think I got this. Wish me luck, guys, cause I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, I can't see nothing anymore. Two. Where we at? That's 2 to 1.
3 hours later.
I'm so lost.
3 days later.
I think I know what I'm doing now. Now I need a mixing stick. This is scary. I hope you guys can hear me. And I really hope this is right. Alright, got that mixed up. I'm gonna just wipe it down quickly. Alright guys, if this doesn't come out good, oh well. I honestly haven't even sprayed the gun. I don't even know how this works. One way to find out. Alright, I think I got it. I hope. That's way too much air. Alright, it's looking pretty good. I'm actually surprised because I don't know what I'm doing. But that's 2 coats. Do 1 medium wet coat and see how that looks. Depending on how it looks, then I'll do the clear. So I hope that sprays good. And then we're done. So it needs to dry a little bit more. We'll let that fully dry, I think. And spray the clear. Let's spray the clear. Alright, let's go for another coat. A little heavier this time. Alright, and that's the last coat. I did 3 coats. Obviously it didn't come out the best, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of polishing and buffing and whatnot, but hey, for my first time, not bad. So I'm gonna wait for it to fully cure, give it 24 hours. I believe that's what it said. And then you know, sand it down a little bit. Try to get as much as the orange peel off. But you know, for my first time in the garage, not bad. Obviously could have been better, but you know, it was my first time, so it just depends on how it looks like when it's on the car. So that's pretty much it. I gave a total of 3 coats. So wait for this to dry, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for watching.